What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And guys, before I dive into today's video, I do want to mention that today's video is sponsored by public.com. A lot more is going to be coming from that later on in the video, but remember, they are an investing app where you can invest into stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency, and I'm talking Shiba Inu as well. So, hope everyone is having a fantastic day. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu, a couple highlights from the developers coming in today regarding the Layer 2 solution. And in addition, we have some whale statistics that we need to discuss. So let's go ahead and dive right into the price action. First and foremost, Shiba Inu is looking pretty good on the day. Looking at the one-day chart here, sitting at 23,240 Satoshis, up 3% on the day. Trade volume is actually down significantly, but overall, we're seeing some nice momentum coming into the space. Overall crypto market, again, kind of running pretty much sideways. A little bit of profits being taken from Bitcoin and Ethereum, but again, holding pretty strong and steady from the last run-up that we saw over the last 48 hours. So let's go ahead and jump into SHIB and some of the news we want to discuss. First and foremost, this here was a retweet from Satoshi Shibarium update from our friends at Unification UND, which of course is the fund token. And shout out to SHIB Informer for the official tweet. He says, in addition to the extensive network protocol and new partnership developments discussed above, Unification Foundation is proud to continue the development of Shibarium, the next prominent Layer 2 in partnership with the SHIB Army, our own Layer 2 solution, enabling rapid, low-cost transactions optimized specifically for what? Read that word, guys, specifically for gaming. While the scale of the project doesn't allow a definitive timeline to be released as of yet, the second version of Shibarium's private testnet is live and under optimization across both teams. Folks, a lot of us have been wondering, right? Because we had a small promise, and this is something that we should not forget. We had a promise from the developers of Shiba Inu saying that their timeline, based off of their predictions, we would see the Layer 2 solution get implemented Q4 2021, meaning by the end of December, we were anticipating that the Layer 2 solution would be completed. Well, guess what? That didn't end up happening. And I know a lot of people were pretty upset because, again, they weren't able to accomplish things of that nature in a timely manner. But in my opinion, because they want to always perfect things, a little bit of a delay is no worries. We're expecting the Layer 2 solution to be implemented within our ecosystem Q1 2022 now. So it could be this month in February or next month in March. So with that being said, this here is going to be an absolute game changer. We need this to be a part of our ecosystem to allow us to utilize, instead of the Ethereum network for everything, again, the big thing that they talked about is low transactions optimized for gaming. One of the big things that's plaguing the ERC20 space for NFTs, for anything, is the fact that the gas fees are so high. People say, well, Shiba Inu could be purchased on centralized exchanges. We don't need to have any more gas fee worries. Well, we do, because we have NFTs that we interact with, correct? With the game coming out, we need a Layer 2 solution to ensure that the game engine and the NFTs and the transactions that are occurring within the gaming ecosystem is not with Ethereum. Because again, people are going to be paying so much gas fees, and we're going to see people getting tired of that. People get tired of paying these big fees, especially the typical retail investor like you and I. When you don't have hundreds and hundreds of millions of tokens to just play around with, right? Or hundreds of millions of dollars in Ethereum. For us, even the $100 to $200 gas fee does create some kind of, again, resistance, which blocks us from potentially getting all the potential that we could be making in crypto. So this here is a big update, and I think it's very important for us to hold on to it, embrace it, and realize that Shiba Inu has some really exciting things coming our way, specifically from what? From what you see on the screen, and that is the Layer 2 solution that is coming. In addition, we know SHIBASWAP 2.0 is on the way. We know the Doggy DAO, voting rights from the community itself. A lot of things that are coming, guys. The Shiba Inu game here, 2022 is going to be the year of the SHIB. I say that time and time again, not financial advice by any means. Just letting you guys know, for me, this is the time for accumulation. All your favorite assets from all-time highs, especially for SHIB, are down significantly. We've been consolidating, and a period of consolidation to me is a period to potentially buy your favorite assets. So last thing that I wanted to quickly touch on is Shiba Inu whales, the fact that they control 26% of the total supply of the token. And then it says here, here's how it might be bullish. But before I do so, guys, let me give a huge shout out to public.com again for sponsoring today's video. So a quick word for them. And again, I'm just going to mention a couple things because I really like the platform. I utilize it, and you could see the best part is you can follow literally my trades from the stock market, because the only thing I buy on it is one stock and one stock only, and that is Tesla. As a proud owner of a Tesla, I really, really love their products. And I think, again, they have some fantastic things coming. What I personally love about Public is that it helps people become better investors. It gives you data, active data throughout your experience on the app. You see all these messages, things like that. It gives you push notifications and that kind of thing as well. And you can also follow other investors and share ideas. So there's people like, again, myself, there's people like Graham Stephan, Cody Ko, Shelby Church, and thousands of more that are on the app that continue to share, again, their investments and other things as well. And I joined Public, and you could see what trends as well. So for me, you could see things like, hey, if you search at YourPOP, for example, just my name on the Public website, public.com, or on the app, you'll see exactly what kind of trends I like to follow. And again, and you can see right here at the top, it says YourPOP, and that's, if you click the link in the description below from Public, that's where you get your free stocks. So the app is for free, no commission, or on any standard stocks, of course. Plus, Public puts investors first and does not sell your trades to market makers like other investment apps. And that's something that you need to also understand and embrace. So now, the question is, what do we get out of it, Ahmed? What's the point for us, YourPOP? Well, here it is. You'll get a free stock worth up to anywhere from $3 to $300 when you go to public.com/YourPOP and create an account. And of course, just to get started today, again, www.public.com/YourPOP. Take advantage, click the link in the description below, and take advantage of free money when it presents your way. Never, ever, ever let free money opportunities pass you up, because you guys know how I feel about free money. Free money is free money, and it shows right there, public.com. A huge shout out to them once again for providing me this opportunity. So last but not least, Shiba Inu whales control 26% of the token supply. Following the recovery of the altcoin market, Shiba Inu and other smaller altcoins have experienced a sudden price increase, with SHIB gaining 7.5% at its daily peak. While retail traders are buying into the asset, the whales that control 26% of the supply are facing $100 million worth of profit. Whales control the meme-related token, and we know that's a fact. Because guess what? If they coordinated or decided to completely sell their positions, we're going to see Shiba Inu tank. But oftentimes, whale accumulate these kind of tokens because they see something in it. They believe in it. And as long as you understand and see what these whales have been doing in terms of the trends, have they been accumulating? Have they been buying? Have they been liquidating? Have they been decreasing their position? That could be a worry long term as well. So the fact that, again, these statistics are showing, you could see they are continuing to hold and purchase more. So according to data from Whale Stats, Whale controls 26% as mentioned. Exchange-related addresses and companies are not being counted by the tracker, which allows for determining the true percentage of large owners on chain. With a decreasing number of whales, assets tend to lose the previous volatility that was present when almost 100% of all trades on the market were short-term speculators. As holders' composition suggested, Shiba Inu is currently considered a mid-term asset, with the majority of holders entering the asset for at least 6 months. That's a big stat that we should pay attention to. 6 months. Whenever whales take control over the asset, its correction, tends to stop as large wallets are continuously accumulating the token instead of selling it. Large selling volumes usually appear at the end of bullish rallies, where retail buying power exceeds unrealized losses that then turn into unrealized profits. One more time. Pay attention to this line. Large selling volumes usually appear at the end of bullish rallies, right? Makes sense. People are selling, taking their profits, where retail buying power exceeds unrealized losses that then turn into unrealized profits. So folks, this is the thing that we need to embrace as investors. We are retail investors. We are part of the retail world. But again, when buying power exceeds the unrealized losses that turn into unrealized profits, that's for us the time potentially to be buying into our favorite assets, including Shiba Inu. The accumulation of Shiba Inu, it continues saying, by whales began when the token lost almost 30% of its value in days after reaching an all-time high in October. Whales have been buying up to $300 million worth of SHIB in a matter of days. That's the whole philosophy and idea behind buying the dip. So again, I appreciate your guys' love and support, and hope you guys really continue to enjoy the Shiba Inu videos that come your way. I'll continue to make them for as long as I possibly can, because I truly believe in this ecosystem, I believe in this asset, and I believe in this community. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.